Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah ta'ala, we will learn that how we can convert the descriptive phrase into nominal sentence, how we can convert مركب توصيفي into jumla اسمية. So this lecture is going to be thrilling, inshallah ta'ala, because we will learn that only one change we will bring in مركب توصيفي in descriptive phrase, and it will convert into a nominal sentence in a very easy way, inshallah ta'ala. So let's start, inshallah. First, we will revise that because we are going to convert the مركب ناقص into مركب tam. So we will learn that what is مركب ناقص and what is مركب tam. مركب ناقص is the meaningful unit but doesn't convey complete meaning. On other hand, combination مركب tam is the combination of words that convey complete meaning. I will give you a few examples from all the مركب ناقص of the list of the مركب ناقص. The first one is from the descriptive phrase, which is a pious boy. We covered this lecture in the last lecture. And on the other hand, if we want, if the pious boy is it is meaningful. The both words are meaningful, but it doesn't convey the complete meaning until if we say that the boy is pious. Now it makes sense. It is a full sentence now. Okay. And one more example from another مركب ناقص, which is this book. And if you can, this book, it is just a phrase. It is incomplete. But if we want to convert into a sentence, we will say this is a book. This is a book. So now it is a full sentence. In the masjid. And if we want to convert into a sentence, we can say that the boy is in the masjid. Boy's book. Boy's book is just a phrase. It's not giving me complete meaning. So if we say that boy's book is new, now it is a full sentence. Same, the last one is Muhammad and Ahmad. So this is just a name of two boys. If we say that Muhammad and Ahmad are brothers, so it's a full sentence now. So in the last lecture, we covered this مركب توصيفي, pious boy, which is waladun salihun. And now in today's lecture, we will learn that how we can convert this phrase is مركب ناقص into a مركب tam, which can be the boy is pious. So that's why it's going to be very interesting, because you can learn that how you can convert the phrase into a sentence, inshallah ta'ala. So let's cover with me about the qualities of the مركب توصيفي. The two parts of the مركب توصيفي is موصوف and صفة, and the موصوف and صفة are equal in all qualities of the of ism, which is jins, adad, i'rab, and wusat. So I wrote here as well that descriptive phrase, both part موصوف and صفة are same in gender, number, status, and capacity. This is very easy. مركب توصيفي is the easiest one. On other hand, because we will convert it into jumla ismiya, so we should know the qualities of the jumla ismiya. The parts of the jumla ismiya is mubtada and khabar. Mubtada and khabar are same in jins and adad. They both are same in jins and adad. And according to the i'rab, according to the status, they both will be marfu. And according to the capacity, wusat, they are opposite to each other. Mubtada is always ma'rifa, and khabar is normally, most of the time, it's nakira. Okay, so this is the main parts for today's lecture. The wusat, the capacity, will play the main role for today's lecture. In written form, I wrote here as well that mubtada and khabar are same in number and gender. In i'rab, means in status, both parts are marfu. In capacity, mubtada is definite while the khabar is indefinite. This is the main important thing about the definite and indefinite. Okay. All right, now I will give you the way that the method that how we can convert the descriptive phrase into a nominal sentence. There are two types of the descriptive phrase. That descriptive phrase can be definite and it can also be the indefinite. Okay, you know that because we covered in the last lecture in detail about the descriptive phrase. And I will tell you about why I wrote here marfu, because descriptive phrase can be marfu, can be mansoob, and can be majroor. But in today's lecture, I will choose only the marfu descriptive phrase, because when we convert into jumla ismiya, the parts of the jumla ismiya, mubtada and khabar, they both are always marfu. Okay, there will always be the marfu. That's why I choose the descriptive phrase only the marfu. Okay, because in mansub and majroor there is no any role for today's lecture. Okay, so let's come to the point at how we can convert the descriptive phrase into a nominal sentence. If the descriptive phrase is definite, then we will convert the second part, which is the sifa. We will convert the sifa into indefinite to make it, to convert it into jumla ismiya. Okay, and if the descriptive phrase is indefinite, then what we will do, we will convert the first part of the descriptive phrase, which is the mausuf. So we will convert the mausuf, the first part, into definite. Then in this way, the descriptive phrase will convert into a jumla ismiya. When I will do practically, then you can understand easily, and it will be very helpful for you. Inshallah ta'ala, you know this slide, we done it in Markab Tawsifi, same in this way. As you already know that al-waladu as-salihu, they both are parts of the markab tawsifi. The first part is mausuf and the second part is the sifa. Now we will check the qualities of the mausuf and sifa. Are they equal in all qualities? Yes, they are. They both are masculine, they both are singular, they both are marfu, and they both are definite. Okay, they both are definite. So first of all, first slide, I choose the definite markup tawsifi. Okay, definite descriptive phrase. Let's do the translate first. The pious boy. Okay, now I want to convert it into jumla ismiya. So I will do only one change. I will just change only one change in this markup tawsifi, in this descriptive phrase, and it will convert into jumla ismiya. So look at the screen. It's very interesting that only one change can convert the murakkab naqis into a murakkab tam. Okay, in the phrase into a sentence. And what the change will be, as I explained in the last lecture, if the descriptive phrase is definite, then we will convert the second juz, the second part, which is sifa. We will convert the sifa's capacity. We will convert the sifa's wus'at. If it is marifa, we will convert into nakira. We will convert it into indefinite. Okay, so as-salihu, which is the second part, which is sifa, is marifa. We will convert it into nakira. Only one change. How we know that it is nakira? This tanween shows me, this tanween give me the hint that it is nakira. Okay, so as-salihu convert into salihun. So marifa sifa convert into nakira now. So as the terms and condition of the markup tawsifi, the the agreement between the markup tawsifi is break now. It's dismissed now, because they were not following now. According to the wusat, they are not following. They are not following to each other. They are not same now. So the agreement is break now. It's dismissed now. So what will going to be now? These parts will, as you know that the first part is marifa and second part is nakira. So marifa plus nakira is equal to jumla ismiya. Now they both parts will convert into, the first mausuf will convert into mubtada and sifa will convert into khabar. Okay, so it's new agreement now, it's new requirement, new terms and condition, because according to all these qualities of these two nouns is fulfill the requirement of the mubtada and khabar. Okay, so it's mubtada and khabar makes a jumla ismiya. So markab tawsifi convert into jumla ismiya. So only one change. Look how it convert in markab tawsifi into a jumla ismiya. So we will do translation now, and according to translation, we will, in jumla ismiya, we translate first mubtada then khabar. Okay, so first we will translate the mubtada. The boy is pious. Okay, so in this way, we will convert the descriptive phrase into a sentence. All right, so I will do one more. I will give you one more example for the indefinite descriptive phrase. Indefinite, look, they both are indefinite. So the first part, bintun is mausuf and salihatun is sifa. So let's check the all qualities, are they equal with each other? Yes. According to genes, they both are feminine, they both are singular, they both are marfu, and in wusa, they both are nakira. They both are nakira now. Okay, so let's do translation first. a pious girl. Now what we have to do? Only one change. We will change only one thing, and this time we will bring the change in the first part. Okay, as when I explained you the method of changing the descriptive phrase into jumla ismiya, I told you if the descriptive phrase is indefinite, then we will convert the first part, which is mawsuf, the indefinite part we will convert into definite. So bintun, this the tanween shows me that is indefinite, so we will convert into definite. So we will we convert the bintun is in we will add the al in the beginning of the bintun, and it will convert into definite. So it become al bintu now. Al bintu. Okay, this al shows me that it is definite now. So it means the agreement is again dismissed now, because this nakira wusat is convert into marifa now. It's definite now. So first part is definite and the second part is nakira. So it fulfills the requirement for the mubtada and khabar. So mawsuf will convert into mubtada and sifa will convert into khabar, and mubtada and khabar makes jumla ismiya. Okay, so the translation, first we will do the translation of the mubtada, which is the girl. Al bintu means the girl. The girl salihatun is pious. The girl is pious. Okay, so in this way, we convert the phrase into a sentence. This very, very easy topic, alhamdulillah. So let's do a little activity with me now. I wrote here مركب توصيفي and jumla ismiya. You have to choose that from these two, which one is مركب توصيفي and which one is jumla ismiya. So you can pause the video and then check the answer. Okay, I convert it now. Look, al-kitabu al-mubinu. They both are definite. They both are definite, so it means they are markup tawsifi. But while on the jumla ismiya, the first part is definite and the another part, the second part is nakira. So marifa plus nakira is equal to jumla ismiya. Okay, so for in jumla ismiya, first part should be marifa and second part should be nakira. So al-kitabu al-mubinu means the clear book. While on the other hand, jumla ismiya translation will be as a full sentence, the book is clear. Okay, the clear book and the book is clear is converted into full sentence. Okay, one more activity now. Same, you have to choose which one is markup tawsifi and which one is jumla ismiya. So pause the video and then choose the correct answer. Okay, I hope you get this answer. Ibadun muqarramun. Ibadun muqarramun. So they both are nakira. Ibadun, we can see clearly tanween on it, and on muqarramun there is no al in the beginning, so it means they both are nakira. So both are at this point, markup tawsifi is indefinite. While on the other hand, the first part is marifa and the other part is nakira. How it is nakira? Because there is no al in the beginning, so it means it is nakira. So marifa plus nakira is equal to jumla ismiya. So let's translate. Ibadum muqramun means honored servants. Ar-rijalu qawwamuna, the men are in charge. Okay. One more activity. You have to choose which one is markup tawsifi or jumla ismiya or one of them. So pause the video. I hope you get this answer. They both are markup tawsifi. There is no jumla ismiya here now, because on the top one, al-adabu, al-alimu, they both are marifa. They both are definite. On other hand, the bottom one is adabun alimun. They both are nakira. They both are indefinite. So there is no option for the jumla ismiya, because on the jumla ismiya, first part should be marifa and the second part should be nakira. And here, the markup tawsifi, both parts can be either the definite or can be either the indefinite. Okay, so it means they both are markup tawsifi. One more example, last one. So do it now again. I hope you get this answer. Al-baqiyatu salihatu. Now here they both are definite. They both are definite by al, so it means the both parts are definite. So it's markup tawsifi. While on other hand, as-salihatu is definite, but qanitatun is indefinite. Why is indefinite? Because we can see the clearly tanween on top of it. There is no al in the beginning and there is clearly tanween on top of it, which shows me that it's indefinite. So first part definite, second part is indefinite, makes a jumla ismiya. Okay, so this is how easy you have to check. If just a revision for the whole lecture for descriptive phrase versus jumla ismiya, if both parts are marfa, then it will be مركب ناقص, means توصيفي. If both parts are nakira, then still same, both it will be مركب ناقص توصيفي. But if the first part is marifa and second part is nakira, opposite, okay, then it will be jumla ismiya, then it will be مركب tam jumla ismiya. If both parts are same in capacity, it means they are nakis, they are مركب nakis. But if the both parts are opposite to each other in capacity, then it will be jumla ismiya. This is how easy it is. Okay, so I hope you like this lecture. Let's make dua now. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.